This question says, can you give an overview and or ballpark of what the costs are associated with a trust? Well, it's a bit of a loaded question. We offer dozens of types of trusts here, and I have trusts for as little as $2,500, and I have trusts for as much as $50,000. Now, the vast majority of my clients do not need, nor do they want to pay or have the money for a $50,000 trust. But on the other hand, a $2,500 trust is probably going to be way more simple than what the average person wants in the form of added protections for their beneficiaries. So most people don't go with the 2,500 and they don't go with the 10,000 plus. So I think that's pretty much a good spread. If I had to guess, our standard revocable trust package with some deed work and some contingent minors trust, special needs trusts, discretionary trusts, those things that I think are minimally most important to have in a standard trust package, you're going to be somewhere between the $5,000 and $7,000 range if I had to guess. Now that's all in with hundreds of custom drafted legal documents. And a lot of people will jump right on here and be like, I got a trust for, $1,500 and they did everything for me. I promise you, you didn't get an 80-page trust and a 35-page power of attorney and all of the elder law and asset protection language that we put in our standard documents. So can you get it cheaper than me? Absolutely. Is it going to be the same quality work product to give you the same sleepability and protections? Nope, not a chance. So you get what you pay for a little bit for everything except for cremation. I did talk to somebody about that today. I'm digressing, but it's interesting that a cremation's a cremation. A will is not a will and a trust is not a trust. So where you can save money on going with the cheapest person to do the cremation services, because the end result is exactly the same, the end result of estate planning documents can be drastically different depending on the page count and the amount of really good language has been baked into the document. So, 2,500 to 50 grand is the spread. Most people are 5 to 7 grand. You start throwing in special needs trusts, you can be closer to 9 or 10. Florida asset protection in the 15 range. Those are kind of the ballpark prices for trusts. But if you live in Florida and you have specific questions, give me a call. Let's talk. I will tell you what type of trust I recommend for you, and I will give you an exact price and tell you why I think you should get it. Have a great day.